Right, here we go. Oh. Open the boot. It's all sorted out. Get the jack, spanner. Oh, mate, you didn't get the tyre out for me, mate. Oh, this unlocked. Oh, mate, it's unlocked. Heading into the time already. Alright, I'll take this out first. Get it going the right way around first would be a good idea. This is easier than done. Gets me nice and quick.
I caught Dad up, but he's not going to make it, so might have to change it myself.
Crack the tyres, now back into it. There's an easier way to do this. I haven't done it too well. New tyre corolla, just got to get off the ground. Best way to do it, let's keep doing like this. Hopefully that'll show jets.
My dad's a mechanic, so this should work in my favour.
Wasting a bit of time, better get it going.
Bum, 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 bum. Do, 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 do.
Not too tight at the start, back into this.
Everything has to fit back in the boot, cool, yep. Doesn't it?